Seng Congress kadon jeng Kyrmen banjob ya bun Tylli ke Shuki hak Ilekshon MDC ke Bansawan. Unong elam ke Seng Congress iba Roni V Lingdo. Ili tu basyen ke Seng kan sepelong ya ke jengelang ban pendap ya ke dukom katkum ke an na ke bentar ke Ilekshon MDC ke Bansalong. Ila pentip ru bakane ke Ilekshon ke long ke bakong santam hak ke jela ba ila ong ba ke Congress ke dei ban yo e ke nam na ke bentar ke jeng penyo e ke tup benrap ke bahan riau bat ya ke district council ki belong ki nong eda ya ke hok jong ki rit pat ha ke jela.
We're preparing. So soon we'll be having a meeting to complete the formality because we have certain procedures. Okay. MDC election, or rather this council is so crucial to to the state of Meghalaya. So I think people will judge. They'll not simply vote anyone 75 years back, 76 years back. We have such a law that has protected us, our land, our customary laws and usages, our language, our way of administration, the traditional way. So we are very fortunate. So, and this also I must credit the Congress leaders.